Hello lovely friends, here's a sneak peek of these colourful coasters today. I had a commission for lots of greens and blues, so stay tuned to see how they were created. So today is another Talent Tuesday with my lovely friend Kim, and we do whatever we fancy. So this week I've got my own coasters. I've started doing coasters. I did them as presents for Christmas and now I've got loads of orders, so that's really good news. And this one lovely lady said that she wanted some for her daughter, and she wanted greens and a bit of blue and a touch of pink and gold. And I'm using some fluorescent yellow as well to highlight and bring out the green. So, oh my goodness, I absolutely love experimenting with this. Now then, I'm putting the base down, which is my midnight blue. I love putting blue as the base when I'm having blues and greens. And there's a bit of black in with ultramarine blue. So I'm laying down green blue first of all, and I'm just deciding which paint to go next because I wanted to add in some silicone. So I added 1 drop of silicone to all the paints, and that's what creates those really big cells. And then I may use Australian Floetrol and I swipe through it. They create the smaller cells and they interact together and they create something really beautiful, and you only need the tiniest amount. So if you can get hold of any, do experiment and see how it turns out. So you can see how I'm layering, and with this colour palette it's pretty safe to layer in whichever way you want, because I often, especially when I have one-to-ones in my art room or online, I'm always telling people with the colour palettes that they might choose how we could layer them so it doesn't end up muddy or it doesn't end up creating different colours. So I'm swiping through with that was black cell activator that time, so it's a touch of Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam Oxide Black 3:1 Floetrol to paint. And once I've mixed it all together, I literally put a tiny bit on my spatula, just like that, my palette knife, and then I swipe in whichever direction I want. Now, using the spinner is a great way to be able to manipulate your coasters and your paint, any paintings that you're doing. It's really good to move it around so you can see all the different angles. And you can see that the base paint, I put just enough on there so that when the paint is moved it will fall off the edge. Can you see that one just then? That swipe was with Australian Floetrol and titanium white, and I'm doing one more little swipe in black. Have you seen the size of the palette knife? It's tiny. These coasters are 4 inches diameter, so you can imagine that in proportion to that you can see how big the palette knife is. It's just under 1 inch long, and it's a really small one. It's one of the smallest palette knives that you can get. And then all I do then is pick up the coaster and I tilt it to get the pattern that I would like, and then I'm using my hand to balance, and the other hand to tilt it and tease the paint off. And I'm just using my palette knife to create any form and to bring the paint through. So I'm really being patient. This is sped up quite a lot, so I'm being patient in how I'm tilting, and you can see I'm resting it on my hand, and then I gently peel my hand down the side of the coaster to bring that pattern down. Do it really, really slowly, but this is sped up, as I just said, so you can see how I do that. So I use all parts of my glove that hasn't been covered in paint already. So if you're a beginner and you're wanting to create coasters like this, go through and just see how easy this is. You can literally order your ceramic tiles from Amazon, and some of the ones that I have here come with cork backings, and they're tried and tested. I've tried them out for myself, and now I can give them to other people because they're really good quality. You don't want to cut corners with things like that because you want to be able to have a really good product at the end of it. So number 2, I'll leave you to enjoy the music, and I'm going to just do exactly the same format using the Australian Floetrol and the Oxide All Titanium White Amsterdam. And the paints that I'm using here is silver, pink and blue-green and green-blue, all iridescent and all by Pebeo. So I'll put that in the description below for you. Hope you enjoy, and I shall see you towards the end.
We're gonna reach the clouds. I'll be the friend that is standing there. I'll be the hand holding all your cares. I see you now, I'm not going anywhere. We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back home. No, we'll never have to walk alone. We'll find our way back home. I'm coming home. We'll find our way back home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back home. No, we'll never have to walk alone. We'll find our way back home. I'm coming We'll find our way back home. Hey sister, don't worry about a thing that's weighing on your mind. The sun's going up, get ready for the shine. Everywhere that you turn, your future's looking bright. Hey sister, oh, hey brother, don't ever give up the dreams inside your head. Keep moving on up with every single breath. 'Cause the world needs to see the you that's truly you. Hey brother, oh, the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. I know, I know, I know, I feel it in my bones. Yeah, the best, oh the best is yet to come. Hey future, I believe we're heading for the day where the work that was done will finally make a way to the hope that we have for all. That's why we say, hey future, plan. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing.
So as I bring you in for my last coaster, you can see in this one there's much more blue and green, and the turquoise blue is this lady's daughter's favourite colour, so I was really excited to use it because it's one of my favourite colours. I'm really reliant on these two colours, and I'm going to go outside my comfort zone with some icy blue soon as I do my Snow Queen, which I've been promising for ages, and it's a big project because I'm using lots of different techniques. That's coming soon. But can you see in here how the layering has created another different effect, keeping the same colour palette? I hope you've enjoyed this today. I'd love to know what you're creating and what you think of how I'm adding different colour. So I wanted to add a bit more pink, and at the end I just added some. So here's the dried results, and you can see that you can sit down, have your tea and coffee with your friends on your coasters once you've made them. It's such a satisfying thing to create. And I hope you've enjoyed today's process. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know what you're creating, and let's go and see what the wonderful Kim from Kim's Art Alchemy is creating too. Her link will be in the description and comments below. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget your art as a piece of you, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.